Question 3, they give us the equation of fx is negative 2x squared plus x plus 6. First question, calculate the coordinates of the turning point of f. So we're going to use the formula to find the x coordinate of the turning point. That's negative b over 2a. So that's going to be negative 1 over 2 times negative 2. So that's going to be a quarter. Okay. And then, okay, so that's the x coordinate. So we still need to find the y coordinate, and that we can find by going to substitute it into the equation of fx. So f quarter is equal to negative 2 quarter squared plus a quarter plus 6. Okay, and if we were to do our calculation, we would find that that comes to 6 and a 8. Okay, but let's do it quickly. So that's negative 2, that's 1/16 plus, so that will be negative 2 over 16 is the same as negative 8, and that is 6 and a quarter. Okay, and that will come to 6 and 8. Okay, right, so that's the coordinates of my turning point, a quarter and 6 and a quarter, 6 and 8. Okay, 3.2, determine the y-intercept of f. So to find the y-intercept, we're always gonna let x equal 0. So using the original equation, we say y is equal to negative 2, substitute 0 in the place of x, plus 0 plus 6. And we're left with that constant at the back now. So that coordinates is 0, 6. Okay. Then 3.3, determine the x-intercept. And to determine the x-intercept, we're gonna let y equal 0. So y will equal 0. And I've got negative 2x squared plus x plus 6. I can take everything across the equal sign just so that we can make that 2x positive. So we can factorize. So because it's negative there, I know my signs will be plus minus. 3 and 2. 2 will go there, 3 will go there, 2x and x. Okay, let's check. So just, I'll write it here next to it. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. 3 times x is positive 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And if I add those middle terms, that will give me negative x minus 6. Okay, so that's correct. These factors are correct. So now I need to solve for x. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to, take that over, becomes negative, and then I need to divide by 2 as well. And on this side, x will equal to 2. So that's the values of my x-intercepts. Now let's just write the coordinates. So x will be negative 3 over 2 and 0 and 2, 0. Okay, 3.4, they ask us to sketch the graph. Sketch the graph clearly showing all the intercepts with the axes and turning point. Okay. Right. Okay, so our y-intercept was at 6. Let's make it there, 6. Our x-intercepts was negative 1.5. So let's make it there, negative 1.5. And our other one was at 2. And our turning point is at 1/4 and 6 1/8. Yes, let's indicate that that's at 6. This is 1/4 and 6 1/8. Okay, so my graph is going to look like such. Okay, I still need to add in 2 there. Okay, so you're going to get a mark for your turning point, your intercepts, and also the shape of the graph. Okay, right. 3.5. Determine the values of k such that if x equal to k has equal roots. Okay, so we're going to equate this to k. Then I'm going to bring over the k, so that's going to be negative. Now, let me take everything over to the right. So 0 is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. Okay. Already said equal to 0. Okay, so again we're dealing with equal roots. That means the discriminant, again the discriminant must be equal to 0 now. So what is my b squared? What is b squared minus 4ac? That would be negative 1 squared minus 4. A is 2. C is, so C is now all of this. This portion at the back, sorry, negative 6 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, so that's going to be positive 1 minus, let's multiply all of this. So that's going to be 8. 8 times negative 6, it's negative 48. 8 times k, it's 8k. Okay, now 1 minus negative 48 is going to be plus 48 minus 8k. So that's going to be negative 8k. That added together gives me 49. If I take it over, it's going to be negative 49. So that's going to be k negative 49 over negative 8, which is 49 over 8. And that's my answer. Okay. Next one, 3.6. If the graph of f is shifted 2 units to the right and 1 unit upwards to form h, determine the equation h in the form of y is equal to a x plus p squared plus q.